Hi everyone! Today we're going to use one of the few natural supplements to make a natural red food coloring, red yeast powder. Red yeast rice has been used for centuries in China as both food and medicine. The red vanasse is on the right side. In Chinese, Hongjiao, it is the remains of the fermented glutinous rice and red yeast rice for making red rice wine. Chinese medicine, red yeast rice is used to lower cholesterol, improve blood circulation, and improve digestion. To make the red yeast rice powder, what you need just the red yeast rice. I use around half cup of the red yeast rice and rinse it well. Strain out most of the water from the rice on a strainer. Prepare a kitchen paper towel, lay it down on a plate. Put the wet red yeast rice on top of the paper towel. Spread them evenly so they can dry out faster. One day later, the red yeast rice looks totally dried out, and when you touch it with hand, there are also no moisture at all. Put them in a grinder. Grind the rice into powder around 3 minutes. Put the red yeast rice powder on the plate lined with the kitchen paper towel. Cool down the powder after it is grounded to avoid there any moisture around them. Spread them out evenly so they can dry out faster. Now you have it, the natural red food coloring. Red yeast rice is being used very often in Asian cooking and for making certain types of wine. A popular way to add coloring to Chinese sausages is to use the red yeast rice powder. Nowadays, you can also use it as a natural food coloring for making variety desserts. Please check out more about red yeast rice recipe on our channel. If you like our video, give us a like and a subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.